Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Nifty Banknifty live analysis. Now we can see there was a sharp up move which basically came in on Nifty right in the morning, and obviously there were the higher resistance zone and the red dotted lines which also came in, saying that the selling pressure was very high. So the new high was made, and then the sharp selling again came in. Now, if I try to basically see the futures of Dow Jones is kind of down 0.5%, and that can also be one of the reasons why the selling has persisted. But more than that, we need to understand how to play the hero zero expiry, because that will be the key element for today. Because today will be the most risky form of hero zero expiry, as the market has cramped all the way on the downside. Now, in this zone, obviously, is a strong support zone, and even yesterday we can see it could not breach this zone of 15,000 kind of 400 zone, which is very important support zone. But the most important part over here, if it is coming back here, should we take the buy trade or not? So it's coming back into the support zone, sharp selling coming in, trying to move back up. Should we take the buy trade or call of 15,400 on the upside? Now, I would not go for call option around this 15,400. Now, there can be a kind of reversal or a bounce back which will come through, but the kind of selling which has come through after the strong buying which has been seen right in the morning, I do not see a follow on quick reversal will happen over here. So reversal might happen of somewhere around 100 points in Nifty, but more importantly, I would still suggest this zone will act like a strong selling zone. So we would like to look for sell only on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So today we have to focus on selling or buying put option for hero zero expiry. So one thing over here, if the Nifty kind of climbs back up into the zone of 15,500, I will try to go for looking for sell or put option of 15,500. That's number one. Number two, if it kind of goes or kind of sustains on the upside, tries to go up, we need to wait out for the structure to get formed for a clean breakdown on the downside. So do not try to rush in for put option right now. Let him go back up. And if it goes back up and does not sustain on the higher side, comes back down and kind of goes on the downside all the way, we should buy the 15,400 put option. सो जिस तरह से निफ्टी ने शार्प मूव दिया है, उसके बाद में शार्प सेलिंग आई है, हमें ये देखना है कि यहाँ पे आज आपको सेलिंग के लिए ही फोकस करना है. तो अगर बाउंस बैक आ जाता है तो 15,500 से आप पुट ऑप्शन ले सकते हो फॉर हीरो जीरो एक्सपायरी अराउंड 1:32 o'clock, मोर लेस 2 o'clock के बाद. एंड उसके बाद अगर देखा जाए कि अगर आपको मेजर सपोर्ट जो है 15,400 का अगर वो टूट जाता है तो वहां से भी आप एक सेलिंग 15,400 का पुट ऑप्शन ले सकते हो. सो आज प्योरली हमें सेलिंग पे फोकस करना है. दोनों जोन में हमें अगर वहां पे स्ट्रक्चर मिलते हैं तो आप हीरो जीरो पुट ऑप्शन पे ट्राई कर सकते हो ऑन बोथ दी एंड. सो अभी एक काम करते हैं, लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे डायनामिक वाई डेटा भी एक बार देख लेते हैं. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर, वन थिंग इज क्लियर. We try to bring this will be a strong resistance zone 15,500, so that is important, and we try to bring in the dynamic OI. So dynamic OI right over here, and market is trading at 15,400 for 23rd of June OTM option. We can clearly see 15,400 has huge amount of support. Okay, so as I said, if 15,400 is being broken out, and even yesterday 15,400 was very important, and once 15,400 is taken out, there is no stoppage. The price will start falling rapidly, and you can still get 100, 150, 200 points on the downside. So 15,400 is key element or acting like strong support for Nifty. So let's try to now go out and check for Bank Nifty as well. And if I try to focus on Bank Nifty, the same thing has happened over here, the rise and the fall. Okay, so strong move on the upside, coming back into the strong support zone over here, which is very important, somewhere around 32,800 zone, which is very important. But this being taken out will basically give you strong selling pressure as well. And the resistance on the upside is somewhere over here, 33,000 to 33,100 zone will act like a strong resistance zone. So this entire zone will act like strong resistance zone. So the same theory what we have applied on Nifty, we need to focus over here. जो आपने निफ्टी में फोकस किया है कि अगर ग्रीन जोन के नीचे चला जाता है 32,800, then we'll try to go for the sell trade. He tries to go back up, tries to come back down, and then we try to go for the sell trade of 32,800 put option. Same thing if it comes into this zone of 33,000, 33,100 or so. Again in this zone we try to go for the sell trade. Now try to bring in the dynamic OI to understand where the huge OI concentration is happening over here. And we can see market is trading somewhere around 32,800. If I try to bring in the OI, so 33,000, huge amount of resistance of almost more than 1 lakh contract. So that's why it is very, very clear that this zone will be very, very important zone to watch out for. From OI point of view, even if the price kind of climbs back up, start looking for selling in the higher zone. So that's it for today for Hero Zero expiry. You can also get the access to the tool, as I said, so that we come to know right in the morning. He started telling you that the buying pressure is very, very strong and he could have gone for buy trade. Plus there was max call OI, plus there was red box, everything got defeated. Sharp up move came in. To get access to the tool, you can look into the description. The registration link is given and it's basically a free demo access you can get for 15 days. So you can make use of this particular tool. That's it for today. We connect again tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe and on the notification to get the timely updates. Till then, happy trading.